Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's AXS AXIE Infinity for update for Friday, 24th of June. Now we are looking at some amazing pumps to the upside, and this is looking so beautiful. Damn, oh boy. So here we are. And if you're wondering where the next technical target, guys, is I'm gonna tell you the next technical target is like you're breaking out of an inverse head and shoulder right now, and you're looking for AXS. So the party literally just started, and you're looking for AXS to come up to $21. That's your next technical target. Okay, so you still have more perks to come in for 25% to the upside. There is one thing that I can expect out of a 4-hour time frame, and that is a retest. Yes, a retest does make sense, and the reason why it does make sense is because you can actually come down a little bit and go to the upside, but that is not guaranteed. And in my opinion, you can still end up coming up to this place. Can it go for the retest? You never know. You know, when coins get bullish, they go upside. Now let me show you Matic as well. So Matic, I was talking about Matic previously, even on the Signal channel. So if you want to actually join the Signal channel, you can. I do have 6 more days to close the signals. So this was when we were pumping from the inverse head and shoulder, right? So when you pump to the upside, notice how you never even came back for the retest of that line. You just completely took off, and I was given this technical target here of 0.6 something, and so far we've already met the 0.6 right now. And that's the same story with the AXS. Every single thing is looking amazing. Bitcoin as well. So look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakout, came for the retest, boom, you're looking for Bitcoin to come to $25,000. So that's it for this quick update on AXS. Put a big stop loss if you see AXS coming down to 14.7, then everything gets cancelled to the upside. And that's it. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.